wondering how to get this guy to always have you on his mind? Listen, it's so easy and simple. These 3 tips will get you there in no time. The third one is my absolute favorite. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've decided to be sharing tips on relationship only twice a month. The rest will be on personal development for my girls. Just get ready for some mind-blowing tips and videos on how to play this game of love. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on your post notification for more videos like this. Let's get into it. The first tip here is to be mysterious. There is nothing more attractive than being mysterious when you get into a relationship. It engages the man's curiosity and entices him to learn more about you. Don't be all over the place trying to make him see you all the time. Give him something to wonder about. Something that will get this man thinking, oh, there is more to this girl. There is more about her that I need to know. Make him want to know more about you. Don't give him everything at once. Give him chance to miss you and crave for you. Stop posting every details of your life on social media for this man to be seen. Act reserved. Keep every information you offer short and sweet. It makes relationship interesting. Be unpredictable in a positive way. Don't offer too much. Don't put everything on his face. Don't give him all of you at once. When you give him all of you at once, he will easily get tired of you. Let him want to know more about you all the time. You just met this guy and you both are dating. Don't move in with him immediately. Don't just pack your luggage and move to his apartment because you feel you have found someone. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Men get tired of things easily more than women. Yes, be the one to control this. Be the one to manage your relationship. So it will be fun. Don't just be there all the time for him. Don't just be calling at all time. Don't make yourself too available. You can be adding spice to your relationship, but everything should be with limit. Don't overdo anything. Be mysterious. That is the first thing to do if you want a man to carry you on his head. From the moment you start dating him, that is when you apply all these things. Don't wait until he is relaxed before you start being mysterious. No, give him reasons to always think about you. Number 2 is to acknowledge him, don't criticize him. Men feel so good when you appreciate their little efforts. When it comes to relationships, you cannot have it all. He cannot give you that 100% that you are looking for. So the little he is able to offer, appreciate it. Appreciate the little effort that he is putting into that relationship. Appreciate the little things that he's doing for you now. It will motivate him to want to do more. I've said it in one of my videos that men love to be acknowledged. They want you to appreciate what they are doing. And to be honest with you, gratitude is one way to a man's heart. When you are grateful for what you have now, even to the universe, when you are grateful, God will give you more. When you are grateful for what he's giving you, he will give you 10 naira, you will appreciate him, even if you are not okay with it. There are ways you can talk to him about what he is giving to you in a manner that will make him go all out and work harder to make you feel good, right? I've been teaching this in some of my videos. Go and watch them. It's going to help you understand more. Appreciate this man for whatever he's giving to you. If you're not comfortable with it, if he's not okay, there are ways you can talk to him. There are ways you can communicate. And he will still be happy to give you more. Don't criticize him for the things that he's not doing. If he is giving 80%, acknowledge him, appreciate him. Don't hold on to that 20% that he's not doing. You want him to go out with his friends thinking about you. This is something you need to understand. No man wants to be pressured. No man wants to be mocked. Oh, you're not doing too much. Oh, your mates are doing like this. Oh, this, oh, that. No, it's not right. As long as he's trying, he's working, he's trying to make you happy. There are ways to communicate. Communication is very important when it comes to relationship. Don't do anything that will make him feel less of himself whenever he's with you. Make him feel important. Make him feel needed and appreciated. If he drives to come and visit you, appreciate him. If he pay for a movie date, Thank him for that. If he paid for your hair, appreciate it. Don't see it as, oh, it's his job, he's supposed to be doing it. Maybe that's his job, right? But still appreciate him for doing it. There are some men, you will want to come and visit him, they will ask you to take a taxi or even come find your way and come. Some people are in that relationship. But if you have this man that would drive all the way to come and pick you up or to come and see you, you appreciate it. Yeah, maybe it's a normal thing for you, but still show gratitude. Show that you are grateful for that. It's a way to live rent free on this man's head. I'm telling you the truth. This is a trick that some of you don't know. You think it's by, oh, I want him to be thinking about me. I want him to carry me on his head. If not, I will leave him. What are you doing to make this man want to carry you? When he's with you, how do you make him feel? You want him to carry you on his head. How do you make him feel around you? Do you motivate him? Do you appreciate him? Do you support him? I mean, understand this. Acknowledge him. Do not criticize. Nobody is perfect. Even you are not perfect. Men are too, I don't know. There are things I need to teach you guys on here, to be honest with you. Men are so easy. Maybe this will be in another video. Because some of you think it's by, oh, I will do this, you are doing this, you must do this. It's not by that. There are girls that don't stress. They don't stress to get whatever they want. They know how to play this game. They know when to talk. They know how to talk. They know how to communicate to get whatever they want. But if you don't know how to communicate in a relationship, it will be very hard for you to get whatever it is you want. And if you don't understand the man that you are dealing with, it is also going to be a work for you. You need to first of all understand this person that you are dealing with. Understand that this person might not be the same as your former person or your ex or the person you've known before. No, everyone is different. Everyone with different attitude. There are men that you don't even need to talk before they give you what you want. And there are men you need to tell what you want for them to give you. Let me drop a tip and code for you girls. So sometimes when your guy didn't do anything for you, like he did not buy you wig, he did not buy you food, he did not buy you anything. Let's say in a month he didn't do what he usually do before, right? Text him and tell him, I appreciate you for all you've been doing for me. I know probably you don't have much to give me now, but listen, I'm so grateful. You've been a great man. You've been doing your best for me. You've been trying. I'm talking about this man that is trying, oh. Yeah, the man that is really taking care of you. Days that he didn't do, appreciate him. Listen, when you appreciate him for everything he's been doing for you, he will think about it. They do think they are human. As long as he loves you, he will think about it. He will go, oh, it's nothing, it's nothing. No, 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 you know, it's nothing. I'm working on something. I'm going to make it up to you. I'm going to surprise you. You see? This is something you need to know. Appreciate him ahead of time. You know, yeah, later you can now go in after texting him that maybe a few days later you can go in and tell him, oh, this is really coming up, it's very important, can you arrange something for me, can you send me something, can you do this for me? I mean, if you can't afford whatever you want to do, you can always call him and tell him to do that for you, and he will go all out to get you that you want, because he sees you as a grateful person. It's so easy to manipulate the mind of a man. I'm not saying you should become a manipulator, but know how to enter this man's head and live there rent free. Everything I'm teaching you here works. It works for me. I'm sharing everything from my heart to you girls as usual. Men are stubborn, men are this man is stubborn, this man is this. That same man that is stubborn is the same man that is paying some huge amount for some girl somewhere that knows how to play the game. Don't take a man's effort for granted. Don't criticize him. Acknowledge him. The third one, which is the last tip here, is to give him time but leave him wanting more. This is the big secret. Give this man enough time to get to know you, like time to get to know more about you, but also leave him wanting more of you. This will make him always think about you. Let me tell you how this works. If he asks you, Do you want to go see a movie this weekend? Tell him yes. Then, a day before that day, call him and give him a timeline. Tell him, oh, I really want to have a good time with you tomorrow, but I'll be available from the hour of 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now, you're not rejecting his offer and you are not forming too much. You're not trying to be too hard to get or something, but just don't make it look like you are available the whole day. Be strategic. Yes. 7 p.m. he should go drop you off until next time. Sometimes when you get on a call with him, don't stay there for 5 hours talking, gisting. 30 minutes, 30 minutes max. Give him some excuses and disappear. Don't go telling him everything about yourself anytime he calls. Oh, my ex was this. Oh, I was in school. Oh, my parents this. Oh, too much talking will get you pouring out yourself to this man in one day. Once it's 30 minutes, tell him, oh, I enjoy talking to you, but right now I need to join a Zoom meeting, or I have a friend, I have appointment with my friend, I need to go, I'll talk to you next time. Don't call him again that day. Don't even pick when he calls you. You are building a relationship. This is how to build a good foundation for your relationship. Believe me, I'm just giving you tips from my own experience and from the people that I know that have built nice relationships. I'm telling you the truth. There are people who are having good life and good time in their relationships because they built this thing properly from the beginning. Give him that space to want to know you more. So, like, always be like, I want to get to know this girl. There is something mysterious. There is something about this girl. I said this from the beginning of this video. Don't drop yourself for this man to see you finish from the beginning of a relationship. It will make you have too many men in your life. Believe me. Because once that one is not working, you want to build another one, you will cry and let go of him. When you get into another relationship, you will still not know how to build it. I've experienced it myself and I'm sharing with you because I know it's going to help you. Stop giving this man all of you at once. And don't always accept his invites. If he's a party person or maybe he's a celebrity, he's always going out, don't always go with him. If he calls you, oh, I have a party at this place on Friday, are you available? Tell him, oh, I would love to go with you, but can we do next Friday? Do you understand? From that day, he will start thinking about you till the next Friday. He will keep imagining how he's going to be with you, how he will show you off. This is how you live rent-free on this man's set. There is no other way. It's not by cooking for him. Anybody can cook for him. By washing his clothes, the washing machine is there. What do you want to do? You want to give him your all. No, don't give him your all. Men get tired of things easily, believe me. Be mysterious. Give him something to wonder about. It's not like you will avoid his call anytime his call or end his call all the time. Give him reason for ending his call. Give him reason for not picking his call. Don't say, oh, I don't want to pick his call. He's calling his call. You can pick up and tell him, oh, I'm working. Can we talk later? Can we talk tomorrow? That's it. It will help you build relationship with boundaries and standards. Yes, you build boundaries in relationship. Healthy one. Make time for him, but don't be too available. Now, let me give you a bonus tip because you watched to this end. The bonus tip here is to compliment your man. From his shoe, his appearance, his haircut, compliment him. Men love to be complimented as well. Yes, I know we ladies, we like when we make our hair. Oh, you look good. Men love that too. Tell him that you like his hairstyle. So that when he goes to the barbing shop or the salon to cut his hair, he will always remember you. Like, oh, after cutting this hair, I'm going to meet my girl. She's going to like it. Men think like us sometimes as well. They are humans, believe me. Compliment him, compliment his look. Make him feel good, make him feel important, make him feel like a man. That is how you do what? You live rent free on this man's head. I hope you've learned something new today. Like I said earlier, I'll be dropping another mind-blowing relationship tips on this channel by next week. Make sure to turn on your post notification, subscribe to my channel. Let's keep growing together. Give this video a big thumb up if you enjoy watching it, and comment your favorite tip down below. I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.